Welcome to Esther Teach Me channel. Revision. In our previous discussion, we talked about days of the week and their corresponding dayborns. In today's lesson, topic for our discussion is going to be creating an emrang and emrane names and their appellations. We are going to continue with where we ended. Hope you are following. Good job. Da wawu obi wasono ye nekredin. The day you were born is your soul name. Kredin biara inso wo mrang. All day-born names have their appellations. Mrang ye insem a wade bata onipa din ho de hoahoa no. We can simply say that appellations are titles. Mia kredin nenemrang. Female dayborn names and their appellations. Akosia, Emrang, Ene, Dampo. Repeat after me. Akosia, Dampo. Ajua, Bajo. Abena, Kosia. Ekwia, Obisi. Ya, Bosio. Efia, Befi. Ama, Nyamewa. Great. Let's look at Emerima Kradin Womrang. Here they are. Male dayborn names and their appellations. Kwesi, Bodia. Kwejo, Okoto. Kwebna, Ojam. Kweku, Bonsam. Yao, Preku. Kofi, Chini. Kwame, Atwapem. Wow. It's a matter of repeating the lesson and you get everything right. Try your hands on these questions. Ama mrang ye. Ajua mrang ye. Da a wawu obi waso ye. Wade mrang hua. You, baby. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.